Hello, I'm Courtney Johnson, Taxpayer Education Officer here at Tax Administration Jamaica, THA. This is the TAJ's editorial on Schedule 1. The Schedule 1 form is an attachment to the income tax return forms SO4, ITO2, ITO3, and IT15. Section 5, subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act imposes income tax on the worldwide income of persons who reside in Jamaica, as well as the income of non-residents from property, trade, business, profession, employment, or vocation exercised in the island. Jamaica has a self-assessment system, and this requires taxpayers other than those with income from employment only to file annual returns declaring their income, taxes, and other statutory contributions where applicable. The type of return to be filed varies based on the classification of the taxpayer. Tax returns present a summary of the financial affairs in relation to a taxpayer's income earning activity for the year of assessment. As such, there is a requirement for schedules to be attached showing the details of the summary contained in each section of the return. Each of those schedules is denoted by a number. The purpose of this video is to provide an explanation of the Schedule 1. The Schedule 1 form provides details of trading. The purpose of this schedule is to capture the details of one's business activities. Prior to the year of assessment 2020, it was designed to facilitate taxpayers in providing the details in respect of trade, business, profession, or vocation only. The schedule was subsequently redesigned to include rental activities as well. Schedule 1 is to be submitted along with the income tax returns of all taxpayers who are engaged in the previously mentioned activities. The Schedule 1 form has 3 columns, A, B, C, and 2 sections, Section 1 and 2. Column A gives details of trade, business, profession, and vocation activities. Column B gives details of rental activities, while column C gives the total of columns A and B. Section 1 facilitates the presentation of the gross income, purchase, and stock in respect of trade, as well as an itemized list of the related business and administrative expenses incurred in earning the income. Section 2 allows for adjustments of the income and expenses in an effort to ensure that they conform to the provisions of the Income Tax Act regarding the computation of income tax. This is necessitated by the fact that the accounting profit is not synonymous with income assessable to tax. This is evident in the fact that not all expenses deducted in arriving at the accounting profit are allowable for tax purposes as outlined in Section 13 of the Income Tax Act. For example, domestic or private expenses such as food, clothing, and utility bills for the house or private dwelling. In addition to that, some receipts may not be regarded as assessable income, such as gains or losses of a capital nature or income already taxed at source. The income tax return form to which the Schedule 1 may be attached are as follows. The SO4 represents self-employed persons' annual return of income, taxes, and contributions. ITO2 represents the return of income and taxes payable for corporate bodies and organizations. The ITO3 represents a return of income and taxes payable for organizations, unincorporated bodies other than life assurance. And the IT15 represents a return of income and taxes payable for corporate bodies operating in the special economic zones. It is mandatory for the ITO2, IT03, and IT15 to be filed online. And one of the benefits to that is that once the Schedule 1 is populated, it auto-populates the parts of Section B on the return forms which relates to trade or business and rental activities. Well, that's it for the Schedule 1 attachment. Thanks for watching. Tax Administration Jamaica, changing the way we do business by working together to serve you even better.